everybody. Okay, we're gonna do kind of a quick to the E to the B to the dizzle. Okay, okay. We're gonna show you blurs now. A lot of the time, you render out an image and you have like motion. I meant depth of field in there, but sometimes it can take a hell of a lot long to render. This is just a nice, easy technique that anyone can use, and it's really powerful, man. If you go to Flare Birthday, click on the right layer here, go to Filter, and go to Blur Gallery, okay, and click on Field Blur. Now, this is amazing. These little things here, you can move them around in the center, and you can put them wherever you want, and this guides how much blur it is. Okay, so let's say I kind of wanted that to be very blurry, but I wanted this face to be in focus. I can add another one. Just click and drag, and you can add another one, and I can put on 0. Now look at the kind of effect you're getting. Oof, damn. Now let's say I wanted this little light here to be blurred. I can put that on, and I can put another one over here right next to it, and I can deblur that a little bit. You see that? And I can put another one over here and start deblurring it a little, because I kind of want the mask to be kind of in focus. It can be a little bit out, but now you start to see the power of this thing. On the hair here, I can put, like, let's say I want her to be kind of in focus over here, and I can put that kind of nicely in focus there, and then kind of blur it out a little over here. Maybe I still want that to be in focus, or maybe not too much, and you can just guide this. You can just guide this to your will. A little bit blurred there, nothing too much. We can take this and blur it out ever so slightly over here. Here is kind of in whatever. But if we kind of want her slightly blurred, we can just go in and start blurring her slightly, just ever so slightly. And look at the power you start having over this. This is wicked. This is damn cool. So from that, let's just say yes. I'm going to hit enter. And now that's the new picture, and that's the old picture. And look how quickly you can start getting these things. Now, if you want, you can take this and you can go back into Filter, Blur Gallery, Field Blur, okay. And I can put it on here. So I can have all these back to 0 because they've already got their blur in that we've done. And you can just start dotting things down here. If you don't want to mess with them, you can just put them straight back to 0, the way we had it. Upsie, och no, ach nein, das ist nicht gut, oder? I want to put one here, start blurring here a little bit. The top of the hair, remember I wanted that to be blurred, not too much, just a little bit out of focus. And now you start getting a cool image, right? This starts getting popped out. This is centered and focused. I can put another one over there and just blur that one out. And then just bring this back to 0 over here because I don't want it too blurred. Now you're blurring that quite nicely. Over here, I don't want it to be blurred, but I do want the hair over here to be blurred quite a bit, like that. And do you see the control you have over something like this? This is absolute power, and you can create all your depth of fields, everything. You can focus the blurs where you want. I can click on this little eye here and say Ari, give me a little bit of blur, Ari, and then click on this one and say I want you to be clean, Ari, and then I can hit enter, and bam! Look at this. This is the new. That's the old, and this is the new. You see the kind of power you can start getting over these things. Isn't that pretty damn beautiful? Isn't that a lot of power, kids? All right. So I'm gonna switch that one off, and that's it. Isn't that damn cool? It's the power of these, of the blurs. And man, I love these. And this is a proper game changer. Alright, I hope this helps. And I'll speak to you guys later. Bye, guys. By the way, there's a lot of other blurs that you can do in Photoshop. But I thought I'd concentrate on this one. Because this is the one I use the most. There's some wicked ones, so go test them. I'll do another video on like tilt shifts and things like that, but there are some wicked ones. Alright, have a good, bye guys.